how to update the Messenger app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest version of Facebook Messenger installed on your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to update Messenger, all we need to do is open up our respective app store. On an iPhone, that's going to be the App Store, and you want to search Messenger, and when you open it, if there's an update available where mine says open, it'll say update. So select update. And on an Android phone, open up the Google Play Store, search Messenger, and then when you open up Messenger where mine says open, it'll say update. Now, if for some reason you're not getting the latest features from Messenger, even after going through the App Store and updating, what I recommend doing is uninstalling Messenger and then reinstalling it. So on an Android phone, you do that by swiping up, finding Messenger, long pressing Messenger, and on a Samsung phone, you would just select uninstall. On any other Android phone, long press it and drag it up to the top right to uninstall. On an iPhone, you long press it and then select remove app and then select delete app. After that, go to your respective app store, search Messenger, and then download the app, and it'll be the latest version and you'll get the latest features. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.